Everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. I hope you all are doing great by the grace of Almighty God Allah. I am also fit and fine. So friends, if you don't know me, I want to shortly introduce myself. My name is Syamdi Islam Surjo. I read in class 9. I am 15 years old. Currently I am living in Dhaka, the capital city of Bangladesh. So today I have come here, Bangla College ground. This is a big ground. Basically I have come here for playing football because we have a school tournament. I have a school tournament before 2 or 3 days later. After 2 or 3 days later, for this reason I practice how to get more skill in football and how to get more penalty shoot in football. For this reason I have come here for play football, and do not come here alone. I have come here with my 2 or 3 friends. I have come here for not alone, but I have come here for 2 or 3 friends. They are also come here for playing football. So in this video I want to share about one thing. So here you can see on my front, here you can see on my behind. So if you are my daily video watch subscriber, you know I have come here before 2 or 3 days ago. I have come here and I make video this place, and this place is very beautiful. For this reason I have come here, and here you can see on my behind there are lots of trees, and the trees behind this is a big pond are there. Here you can see, and many people and many school boy, they have come here and play cricket in this small ground. This is behind of Bangla College. This is a small ground, but these buildings front, the big ground is there. And here you can see on my behind, this is a big pond. If I try to show you, and you can see there are lots of trees. I don't know what is the name of these trees, but basically in our Bangladesh or in our world, many types of trees, many types of fruits are there. But if we want to all fruits or trees name, that's very difficult for us. For this reason I don't know what is the tree's name, but I also know the big tree's name is bonsai. I think this bonsai. And there are many types of bonsai trees, and there are many types of the lychees trees are there. And in the front of building there are lots of lychees trees are there, and many people are there coming for spend their time, and I also spend my time. For this reason I have come here, and I also told you my friends also come here. And if I try to show you the big ground, let's go. So I am here. My intro is started in this place, and here you can see on my behind, this is a big ground there, and lots of people, and they are come here for playing football and gossiping with other. And I also have come here for playing. And you can see there are lots of lychee trees, and on my head on, here you can see I think this is a coconut trees. This is a coconut trees. This is a big trees over there. Here you can see. You can see this is a coconut trees, and you can see this is 2 bars for playing other players. And I want to show you how can I practice English like in this way. You can also practice English like in this way, because many people are think that why this guys make video and why these guys practice English like in this way. Because English is an international language. English is a global language. Our mother tongue is Bangla, but we have to do in future many things, because in our future we don't know what is the thing we have to do. Basically for this reason I have to learn this English language, because if we learn English language, we do anything in our country or our native country or any country, because many I have many types of country, they know very well how to speak English, because English is an international language. And I also share about one thing. The thing is that, so brother, if you thought I mistakes very well, but I mistakes anything many thing, but if I mistakes, you didn't care about those mistakes, because I'm a learner, I'm a beginner. I have been learning English before 2 months ago. Yeah, I have been started learning English about 2 or 3 months ago. 2 months ago, yeah, 2 months. And you can see on my behind, this is a unused building. Here you can see, and in my behind, this is a coaching center, Bangla College coaching center. And I also share about one thing. And here you can see, in these ponds, big ponds behind, there is many types of small houses. They also live in this beside this pond. And yeah, this is my video. I want to show you how I practice English, how I learn English. Yeah, you also learn English like in this way. If you try, you can do it anything. Yeah. So last I want to say about one thing. So brother, please practice like in this way. If you practice like in this way, you can do. So yeah, this is my video. I want to end this video at this time because my time is over. Yeah. So friends, I want to finish this video at this time. So keep practicing. Khuda Hafiz.